Again, I'm trying to get you to understand when to make decisions as to when to be dominated by that big problem in between your two ears, which are your emotions, okay? So again, the volatility index continues to improve. Don't forget that it got better every single day this week. Every single day, the VIX, the top end of the range, continues to fall, okay? Within a bearish trend. It's falling further and further away from a potential regime shift. It's not to say there will never be a regime shift. That's not how to think about it. It's to say that the probability continues to increase that the bull market or the bullish trends that we're long continue. That's all that it means. Stay with that. If you bought every damn dip in U.S. equity beta since May, you've crushed it. Crush or be crushed. Execute within the risk ranges. Okay, now finally on that, there are very few days where you had what happened yesterday. Now, you could have counted it down 3, 2, 1. Maybe that amount of minutes more so than seconds when the VIX was going to the top end of its range. Now that number is constantly changing, don't forget. It's on my desktop. Any fractal dimension and fractally generated math that is algorithmic in nature is going tick, 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 tick. It's changing, okay? So it went right up to the number, failed. Qs went right to the bottom of the range, bounced. We bought Qs right at the lows, pretty damn close. Even if it wasn't at the low, it wouldn't make any difference relative to what I'm trying to coach you through here. That was the play, okay? If it happens again today, it's going to be less good if the math stays the same. And if the math changes, then it might be worse. Deal with it. That's the whole point of real-time coaching alerts, is that you can see how I'm dealing with it. You know, I put up a note in real-time alerts covering some corn, not because I was covering much corn at all. Like, I think I covered 25 basis points of the short position. It was to say, I am telling you now that I'm going to be buying at my levels throughout the day. Buying and covering. That's what the real-time coaching alert said. I've changed that product so that I could give that to you before I got on 4 straight client calls and I knew that I couldn't signal that much, okay? If I wasn't on client calls, you probably would have seen 2 or 3 or 4 more buy signals obviously in real-time alerts. Again, I cannot walk your dog. I can tell you about my dog and his dog fence, but I cannot walk your dog. Thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.